Embraced by Glory by Jamie Ann Colangelo. Sitting seaside, surrounded by nature's wonders, waves crest and fall, ushering in a melody of sand and surf. Misty sea breezes caress my face, depositing wet kisses upon my blushing cheeks. Salt air fills my nostrils as the sun, rising, warms my skin. Rays sprinkle upon the waters, glistening, reflecting back into the atmosphere. The sky is set aglow, yellows, oranges, reds. The breaking dawn envelops me in her peace, undisturbed by the busyness of the world, still yet asleep. A moment of time captured in stillness, embraced by glory.